Hello students, today we are going to do the lesson articles. Firstly, we have to understand what are articles. Articles are words which are used before the nouns because they modify the nouns. Or we can also say that they specify whether the noun which is used in a sentence is in a specific context or in a general context. So basically we have to understand that articles are of three types: a, an, and the. We can categorize these articles into two types basically: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles show the thing being said in a general sense. We use a and an for indefinite articles. The can be regarded as the definite articles. It shows the unique or specific thing. It shows whether a thing is unique or specific. For example, we can see here we have 5 apples with us. Now, if we want to eat any of the apples from the group, we will say, I want to eat an apple from the group of apples. We want to eat any of the apples. If we have to particularly say that we want this apple, so while framing a sentence for this, we will say, I want to eat the apple which is at the first position from the group of apples. So the apple, here we are specifying, we are making this apple as a particular apple which we want to eat. But here in the first instance, we can have any of the apples, so an apple. Now we have to understand, children, that when should we use a or an. Here in this example we have used an apple. Why not a apple? This we will make it clear by looking here. English alphabet has 26 letters, which consists of 5 vowels and 21 consonants. The vowels are A, E, I, O and U, and rest of the letters are the consonants. Now, any word which starts with a vowel sound, that is, any word which starts with A, E, I, O, U, or has a sound which is a vowel sound, has an before it. Any word which starts with a consonant sound, other than the vowels, we had 5 vowels. Any word which starts with a consonant sound will have a before it. For example, we can see here an ant. A is a vowel, so we have used an before it. An enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. All the underlined letters are the vowels, so we have used an before them. Now look at this example, an hour. Here why we have used an? Because H is silent. And if H is silent, we can say the word starts with the O sound, and O is again a vowel. So we have used an here. Next, a boy, a woman, a horse, a book. So all the underlined words, letters are the consonants. That is why we have used the article a here. Now see here, a European, a university, a 1 rupee note. Why have we used a here in spite of they being starting with a vowel sound? This is because even if they're starting with a vowel, they do not sound like a vowel. They sound like a consonant, like in European. The sound of E in phonetics is eh. So the word is not European. The word is European. So the sound of a consonant Y is there. So we have used with it. Same here with university. The sound of U in phonetics is So it is not a university, it is university. So again it sounds like a consonant Y. So we have used a here. Next here we are seeing here a 1 rupee note. In spite of it being starting with the vowel O, the sound which comes is V. A 1 rupee note. Either we can say V 1 rupee note or V 1 rupee note, V or W, and they are consonants, so we have used a before it. Now we come to some examples with a the Taj Mahal, the Ganga, the front gate. These are three different examples which we can generalize like this, that the is used before a particular noun. Here the front gate, we are talking about a particular front gate which might be there in front of our house. So we are specifying the front gate. We are making it a particular noun. The apple you ate was rotten. We are not talking about any other apple, but we are talking about the particular apple which you ate was rotten. The is also used before superlatives. For example, the cutest baby, the most beautiful girl. So est and most are the superlative degree of adjective. So we are using the before them. Next, before the word first, last, next, only, same, following, previous, we use the. And with some common nouns which represent the whole class. For example, the dog is a faithful animal. The elephant is famous for its ivory tusks. The owl is the wisest of all the birds. So we can say here that the is used before common nouns which represent their whole class. Now we'll study the nouns which are the only ones of their kind, like sun, moon, sky. We can only have one sun, one moon, one sky, one earth. So we use the before these nouns because they are the only ones in the universe. Then before the names of rivers, seas, books. Rivers like the Ganga, seas like the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, books, the English reader book, mountains, the Himalayas, holy scriptures, the Ramayana, trains, the Rajdhani, ships, the Virgo ship, aeroplanes, the Jet Airways, newspapers, the Times of India, important monuments, as we had already taken the Taj Mahal, or we can also say the Qutub Minar. Countries, we will write the only before the names of the countries which contain a common noun, like United States of America. So states here is a common noun, so we will write the United States of America, or we will write the before the United Kingdom. Here kingdom is a common noun, so we will put the. And then the directions, to the north, we shall move to the south. So the with the directions. And whole family, like the Malhotras, the Guptas, the Sharmas. So whole family. Next topic here is omission of the article the. The is not basically used with the proper nouns, before the proper nouns, abstract nouns and material nouns. They are used only when the proper nouns are specified. Like in general we will not say the India is a beautiful country, you will say India is a beautiful country. But if we are specifying India as a country, for example, the India of my dreams, so we are writing the here. Then severity here is an abstract noun, that is the extent or intensity of the problem. So we are writing here the, because we are specifying a character of the problem, the severity of the problem. Then this is the material noun. The silver we bought from the shop today, for example. So the silver, we are not talking about any other silver, we are talking about the particular silver which we bought today. We do not use the with phrases also, like day by day, the day by day. No, it is day by day, slowly and gradually. We will not say the slowly and the gradually. I'm going by bus, it is not I'm going by the bus. So here in context of phrases also, we do not use the. Then in some cases we can see the repetition of the article the. This is in case of entitling any two persons in a sentence. Now how do we entitle any two person in a sentence? Like for example, the dramatist and the singer have arrived. Now the dramatist is a separate person and the singer is another person. Both of them have arrived. If we were talking about only one person, we would have written the dramatist and singer. We would have not written this the here, and instead of have, we would have written has. The dramatist and singer has arrived. This would have been the instance if we were talking about one person, but in this sentence here we are talking about two persons who are separately entitled as dramatist and the other as the singer. I hope, children, the lesson article is clear to you now.